Some circles. Yeah, we're to where we make some circles. I am wrapping my hand, yes. It could be very dangerous, but all I have to do is open my fingers and it all falls off. That's a good boy. It's okay, you can trot. What a good boy. Some years this open area is larger than other years. I have a feeling this year it's going to be rather open just because it's so dry. What a good boy. Nice and solid. Good boy. Working trot. What a good boy. Head up, head up, head up. I don't like your head where I can't see it. Yesterday I said I was going to go with a running martingale. I decided to not do that. Instead we switched bits to a little bit tougher bit. It's a slow twist dog bone or French link. I want him to be very aware of who is in control. That's a good boy. Oh my goodness. Maybe we're going to turn around and go, well, he's been pretty good about stuff. I guess we're going to go see about sheep and a llama and and Great Pyrenees. Maybe that's not the right thing to do with the baby. Let's come around. Come around. That's a good boy. Now we're going to go back the way we came. Yes. If I was driving an older horse with a lot more experience, say Tiger, I might go ahead and give that a try. And I'd love to do it with Stormy because he just freaks out about the llamas. And it's a pretty good show. One of the Great Pyrenees was headed toward us. So that was a good reason to not continue on. I'm not interested in being in the middle of a dog fight. No, no, no. My choices. My choices.